After you, Finn.
Jump it. What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
And Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another vlog. So in this vlog we're pretty much just gonna go for a walk, drop some packages off to the post office, film Finn. So hopefully we can make this look cool for you guys. And yeah.
Hi, dude.
Okay, so if you guys are new to the channel, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We do retail arbitrage, thrifting, all that good stuff. So, whoa, we almost just got hit by a car. We gotta pay attention. But, like I was saying, we are a thrifting couple. We go retail arbitrage, so check out all of our videos. We got about 100 some videos for you guys to check out so you can get to know us more. And yeah. So right now, like I said, we're just going on a walk with our dog. His name is Finn. Check out his Instagram. It's in the description. And yeah, so enjoy, guys. So as we were walking, Finn got very far away from these tires, and his hairs are sticking up like crazy. What's up, bud?
It's like I just want to get away from the tires.
We need to get a microphone because I bet these people cannot hear us with all this wind. Sorry, guys. We'll be getting a microphone soon. Hopefully, we need to upgrade all our stuff, but we gotta. I don't even know. That's
last on our list.
Yeah, last on our list. But this wind's getting a little calm, so we're about to get to our post office. It's literally right there. About to drop stuff off, and then we're gonna just keep walking because why not?
Finn's fat and needs to lose some weight.
Yeah, and it's a really nice day out. We don't get too many days like these here in Buffalo. So, like I said, about to be walking in. So yeah, we'll be back in just a second. Okay, so we just got out of there, dropped our packages off because we're eBay resellers, and that's what you do. You drop your packages off so you don't get late shipping. To be honest with you guys, we got about 4 late shipments though. So yeah, we're just gonna get onto this walk. Finn Man's right there, Kristina's right there, I'm right here. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Make sure to smash that like button if you enjoy this. And we have a giveaway coming out once we get to 1,000 subscribers, so definitely check that out. More in the description. Check out our Instagram, that's how you can enter. So let's get back into this vlog. What'd you say? You guys are gonna jog? Alright, go.
Come on, buddy.
I'm coming. Finnegan, you enjoying your walk?
You're having a good walk, Butters. Hey, buddy. Look at me. Finnegan, look. Why don't you fit? Hey.
There's a problem, guys. Finn hates taking pictures. You gotta be like, you wanna go on a walk?
Finnegan, look at me.
You wanna go on a walk?
Finnegan, you wanna go on a walk? Hey.
See how difficult this is, guys?
Sit.
Sit. He won't sit on the street.
I'll make you. Stay.
Stay, bud. Oh, who's a good boy?
Finnegan, look at me. Ah.
Tell him to go on a walk.
Finnegan, you wanna go on a walk? Hey, you wanna go on a walk? Okay, good enough.
Ah, that's perfect.
He's so cute.
So yeah, guys, go follow Finn on Instagram. We're gonna make him the #1 vlog dog. Yeah. Wow, this wind. Guys, leave a comment if we should invest in a mic sooner rather than later, because this wind is horrible. Wow. Hopefully you guys can hear. Yeah, just soak in the wind. So like we said, it's a really nice day. It's like, what, like 50 degrees out? 67, yeah. We haven't had a day like this in so long. So we're soaking it up, going for that walk. And it's too bad that it's super windy, because you guys have to listen to that. Finn's loving it though. His ears are flapping.
I was gonna say that's the best part.
Look at his ears, they flap in the wind like that.
This way. This way. Oh God. Hold on. Hey! Hey!
Let's go. I used to love basketball. Some of you guys don't know about me. I can dunk on a 10-foot rim.
Yes, you can.
Probably didn't even hear that because of the wind. But yeah. Wow, this wind is so bad. Maybe we shouldn't even make this vlog. We should make it the wind vlog. Finn, you enjoying those leaves? Let's get an artsy shot of Finn and the leaves. Oh, what are you doing? You're peeing? Oh my goodness. Yeah. So if you guys want to see how cute Finn actually is, this is how cute. Finn, look at me. Finn, you want to go on a walk? Look at this. Yeah, like we said, Finn does not like to look at cameras. I don't know what his deal is. It's getting hot though.
I know, I'm sweating. Come on, Chunks. You're not sniffing the leaves. No. No. Finn doesn't like sewer grapes. Fun fact.
Yeah, Finn will avoid sewer grapes. So will you though.
I know, I was gonna say, me too though.
Why do you love the leaves so much? What is in there?
Oh, it's the good smells.
What do you smell, bud? Come on, let's get on this walk.
Come on.
Finn, you're such a good boy.
Such a good boy.
So I feel like we should talk about eBay or something, kind of in this vlog.
Let's see.
So we're gonna explain to you guys what to do when, I don't know, we're gonna think of something and we'll be right back to you.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we figured out what we're gonna talk about. We're actually gonna let this wind die down a second, so we'll show you more of the flappy ears.
Yes.
Okay, so Kristina came up with a great idea to talk about. This wind. What was that idea?
How to deal with slow sales.
Yeah, so a big thing you want to do when you have slow sales is just list more.
Yes.
Do more work.
I was gonna say, take a look at what you're doing. If you're not really listing a lot and not getting a lot of sales, list more.
Yeah, because I mean, people will complain that they're not having any sales, but they're also not doing any work. So it's all correlated with all the work that you put in. You'll see the sales, you'll see the results that you want. So if you're listing 3 times a day and you're not getting any sales, list 5 times a day. If you're listing 5 times a day and you're not seeing any sales, list 10 times a day. Like, you just gotta do more and go through your listings and edit them,
revamp them, make sure they look as best as they can, because I'm sure you guys probably have some listings that aren't the best.
Yeah, so if you want our help, let us know in the comments. We'll be glad to go through your eBay store.
Yes.
We're not the best though, so if you guys want to check out our store, we'll put it in the description, but you guys can base off of that. And
if you want.
Yeah, I mean,
switching sides.
Finn's kind of being whatever at the moment. He's chilled now though, he's not trying to pull or anything, he's just walking. So that's really good.
Oh no.
Yeah, we finally got a spot with no wind, and we just talked all about that. So if you guys didn't hear us, we were talking about eBay sales. Rewind it and really listen.
Close.
we dropped some gold in there.
So yeah, so just make sure that like you're putting in the work you want to put in, because even with us, we just experienced a like slow period. We had like 1 or 2.
Okay, so the camera cut out because the memory card got full or something, so I just deleted some things. What were you saying?
So we experienced some slow sales this weekend. I think we had 1 or 2 on the weekend, and then today's Friday now, and we had like 5 throughout the week. So I guess 1 per day, but still slower than what we wanted.
Yeah, slow for us.
And so what we did is we grinded, got 11 listings up last night, 4 more this morning, and we made 2 sales last night.
Already.
So we're killing it.
Killing it.
It really does depend on how much work you're putting into eBay, because eBay sees that and they'll give you.
Yep. So we're just about to be getting home. Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. It was just us walking to the post office and then walking with Finn. We'd love to be able to do more of stuff. Finn, come on. So we're gonna wrap this vlog up. It's very windy. We're about to be home, do some work. She's gonna go into work. I'm gonna do some editing. So that was a vlog. Make sure to smash that like button if you guys enjoyed this. Leave a comment down below if you want to share some love. Hit subscribe, and remember guys, we're doing a giveaway once we get to 1,000 subscribers. So share with your friends. 2 $25 Amazon gift cards. Who doesn't want that, right? You can buy whatever you want pretty much. $25, you're rich. So that was a vlog. Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Peace.